Ismail Ghulam. I'm the operations director of Kyoga Hauliers. Kyoga Hauliers is a general transporters, and we have a few departments in our organization. Kyoga has been in existence for over 2 to 3 decades. It's a family-owned business. We take pride in being as efficient, as effective as possible we can be, and we try our level best to be as competitive as possible, as it's a competitive market. And we are blessed to have such a great team. We run about 3 yards in Mombasa, and we also have a facility in Uganda. And we can offer an all-in solution from in terms of clearing to transportation to final delivery.
At Kyoga, we handle all types of clients depending with their needs. Anyone who comes for haulage services, we're able to handle and meet the expectations. Our main clients mainly give us loose cargo, containerized cargo, as well as project cargo.
Well, Kyoga Hauliers being a transport and logistics company, our key staff or key personnel are the drivers, because without the drivers we'll not be able to move anything. So our drivers actually come first in everything that we do, starting from welfare and ensuring that their well-being and their compensation and motivation packages are on time. So we put in a lot of effort to ensure that we take care of our drivers. But being a self-sustained company, we ensure that all our operations are indoor. So we do our maintenance indoor or in-house. So we make sure we have a fully functional workshop, a fully functional engineering department. In case of a breakdown, I have my team. Hati, Salga, Junction, Machakos, Malaba. When I get a breakdown, just a call, send someone to attend the breakdown. Safety, we have a department for safety. First of all, make sure workers are safe. We have helmet, gloves, goggles, and the safety boots, reflectors, extinguishers,
Everything for safety, we have it.
We've put in consideration the safety of our staff, and we have put some systems, processes and procedures in place to ensure that all our staff, they are equipped properly to react in any emergency. Our staff have been trained on fire safety, our staff have been trained on first aid, our staff have been trained on occupational safety and health. Basically, in Kyoga we're having a number of 50 trained fire marshals, 50 trained first aiders and 50 trained occupational safety and health as stipulated in the Occupational Safety and Health Act 2007.
The yards are very well secured, all within a radius of 5 kilometers from the port. And what these yards can offer us is that we have the capacity to collect cargo from the port, shunt it to our yard, store it for you, and do the last mile delivery at your time. And in that sense, you save in terms of storage, wharfage, and all that. And say, let's say a client that has brought in 50,000 tons of cargo, they would not even have the capacity to receive it all. But we can remove it, shunt it all out to our yard, and then do the last final delivery to the factory or to the client. And our yards mainly are for our own operations. We have quite a big number of fleet. So we have our own in-house tire section, fuel section, and store sections. Engineering is all done in-house. So that gives us an edge on being extremely efficient and effective, and at the same time being competitive.
Actually, we have stocked enough parts to sort some requirements of parts by different kinds of trucks, because we have different fleets of trucks, and each and every fleet has a different spare parts. They actually don't match to one another. This is why we, as you can see, our shelves, they are being labeled according to the truck models and also with the different kinds of parts for easy tracing of the parts from the system. Actually, the system traces you where you'll get that particular parts being requested by the workshop team. We stock enough parts to sort the trucks in due time, because also the supervisor and the workshop team, they have a specific given time where the repairs are supposed to be finalized and being inspected, so that the truck has to leave for the customers who is our client, who has given us the goods, to be satisfied with the service as well.
My name is Ashraf Nawaz Khan. I'm the tracking and IT manager. Basically, my office does two main jobs. We're in charge of the IT department and the tracking department. We can say it's a technological hub. This is where everything happens. So in my office, I have my team with me. We're divided into each sub-department where we assist one another in monitoring the trucks and also assuring that everything, the operations in the office is going on well. We offer support to almost 100 staff, so we can ensure all the computers are working well, the internet is well. We also have in our IT side, we have something that we call a managed security service. This is where we protect our data. We also protect our cloud, that is our server. We have a firewall. Then in terms of tracking, we have several gadgets installed in our trucks that help us in monitoring the trucks. It also helps us in giving timely updates to our clients. Something else that we also do as a department is we try and comply as much as we can with the KRA in terms of the REX and the RRU, Rapid Response Unit. Additionally, we also communicate with the clients by giving them timely updates. We do this after every 6 hours according to our SOP, but it depends on the client's preference. Whatever he asks for is what we give. We deliver whatever the client wants.
We have general services, but we can also offer specialized. Like we recently just completed a windmill project, and that is specialized equipment. So we have equipment that we can evolve and mold ourselves into your specifications.
So we are proud to say that our equipment are able to handle all type of energy projects and also any form of overseas cargo, whether in height, width, or even in weight. Recently, we handled the Devki windmill project, which entailed loading of moving the entire knockdown windmill. Essentially, for an energy project like the windmill we just handled the other day, you'd see various knockdown components, such as the base towers, mid towers, top towers, blades, hubs, and other accessories. So we had specialized trailers to be able to move the cargo. We had oversized components, such as the blades, which are highly fragile. On this, we had to use our extendable trailers, which would extend up to 80 feet. Okay. Secondly, we had the base towers, which could we had to use our low loaders, modular low loaders, which would take up to 120 metric tons per load. I would say we are one of the best in attaining zero accidents in the last few years, and I think it's something that is commendable.
We run a very, very tight schedule with regards to driver management, because the driver is the power behind all the machines that we have on the road. We make sure that we assign the right driver. When we have a project cargo, we have a select group of specialized drivers. As a human resource department, we are mainly tasked with driver management. Now, driver management mainly deals with allocating the right drivers to handle the right cargo, because not all drivers will handle the bulk or the heavy lift. We run a very tight training and development program to ensure all our drivers are qualified to handle all the machines that we have within Kyoga. We have different departments that handle different kinds of loads, and all these drivers have to go through thorough training before they're actually allowed to handle those machines or to be able to get on the road. So that gives us an edge with regards to specialization, and we have a very, very, very good record with regards to delivering without actually having any accidents or whatever on the road with regards to special cargo. We recently had a project with Devki, and all our drivers had to go through a thorough induction process to cover the health and safety aspects of the whole program, and also to ensure that they were well prepared to execute and to do it efficiently within the timelines that we had. And very proud to say that we achieved our goals and our drivers performed very well.
So we are a company that can easily evolve into what you want us to be. We're not particular. My biggest nightmare is when a client comes to us and I will not be able to provide that service for whatever reason. So we try our level best to be in a position to be able to provide that service. We have a different type of equipments. From specialized, we have trailers that can extend up to 60 meters. We have trailers that can load up to 100 tons. So we have specialized in almost more or less everything that transport can offer. And we're still growing into that, and hopefully with time we'll be able to get more assets and build our capacity. You know, transport is all about teamwork. It's all about dedication. It's all about giving it all in. And as Kyoga, we take pride, and one of my strong key points is my team behind me. I have the ability to go and get new projects on board, knowing that I have the team behind me and that have the capabilities to talk the walk I talk. So I take pride in that, and we like challenges, and we have done extremely well, and we're grateful to God. End of the day, God has really been merciful towards us and has really blessed our company to where we are today.
If you give us an APC cargo, first and foremost, we have to know the type of cargo you're carrying, the volume of the cargo, the weight of the cargo, and then we allocate the proper truck to carry the cargo for you for safe transportation to destination, we make sure proper lashing is done. We make sure we have a toolbox meeting with all the team involved on escorting, our checkpoints on the way to make sure safety is number one priority. Lashing is well done before cargo moves.
Kyoga Hauliers, we are proud also to be ISO certified, ISO 9001 2015 series. Our QMS is regularly audited by an accredited ISO provider. So our operations, they moved from a business management system to a quality management system, which is in line with the international business standards. That is something that we are proud of, and also we believe that it puts us at an international platform. Secondly, I'd also like to mention that in our accreditations, we are statutorily compliant with all government requirements. We have a very robust HSE committee and department which oversees all our safety issues. Also, in ensuring our efficacy is not jeopardized, we have regular inspections on our plant and machinery to ensure that they meet the set standards by the government. Yes.
Kyoga, for us to be able to give an efficient service as SASI, our reliance on the delivery part of the cargo with Kyoga is fundamental, and in that way Kyoga strives to make sure that we meet our targeted timelines. What we have promised our clients to do is achievable, and by that we are very confident that whatever we address issues with our clients, that they are within the timelines that we have agreed, and this interaction and being together as a one-stop solution is highly commendable for our business.
We believe in growth, not only growth but organic growth. So we are in the process of expanding, and we believe that we shall be able to meet all our clients' expectations as we usually do, and also even bring on board more clients.
Kyoga has a good trust with the clients, and also Kyoga is like a family to the employees and also to the clients. And finally, it is the most safe place to work in and also to work with.
Proficiency, professionalism, and precision. That's Kyoga for me.
First and foremost, Kyoga is a very caring company. We are being human. I'm very sure we are the company that people want to come and work to. That's a fact that I can say.
Kyoga is perfect. Kyoga is dependable, it is efficient, and it is reliable in terms of the transporting and the logistic business, and we are proud to be associated with them.
I would say Kyoga is as effective and as efficient as a transporter can be. And I always take pride in saying that we can offer one of the best solutions in town. And we try our level best to be as competitive as possible, but also competitive with a certain sign of professionalism, because that is also very key. Safety is our priority in our organization. We try our level best to be as compliant as possible.
If I had any cargo to transport, I will definitely bring it to Kyoga without a doubt, because I have faith in our administrative systems, I have faith in our logistics capabilities, I have faith in our lift capabilities. So I believe my cargo will be safe and it will be delivered to me on time. I won't have any worries because we actually pay attention to the details. Normally the devil is in the details, so we pay attention to every single detail with regards to your cargo and what is needed to ensure that it is delivered to you safely. So come to us, you will not regret it. We will deliver as promised, and we will ensure that you get your business or your cargo delivered to you right on time and in a safe way.